57% of the work Americans perform every single day can be fully automated using technology that already exists. Headline employment numbers suggest the economy is stable, but these top-line figures are masking a massive structural shift happening beneath the surface. Corporate leaders are quietly executing a transition. Rather than mass layoffs, they are freezing traditional hiring and shifting responsibilities towards autonomous systems. The current calm of the American job market is a facade, hiding an imminent and large-scale workforce displacement. The World Economic Forum projects that 92 million jobs will be displaced globally by 2030. It is easy to look at the current limitations of AI chatbots and assume your specific professional skills are safe from automation. A standard conversational AI is built to retrieve and summarize text. A digital worker is a different class of technology entirely. These digital entities possess the ability to navigate complex software and take independent action to complete high-level tasks. A standard chatbot acts like a restaurant waiter who can only recite the menu. You can ask what's for dinner, but the waiter can't actually send the order to the kitchen. An AI agent is a waiter who takes your order, cooks the meal, serves the table, and processes the final payment. High-level corporate alignment on this technology is already set. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has identified 2026 as the pivotal year these agentic experiences go mainstream. These agents work continuously, cost a fraction of human labor, and can be instantly cloned to handle any increase in volume. Corporate procurement is shifting from software tools to digital labor. Businesses are using this technology to replace human headcount with systems that can be scaled infinitely. APIs act as digital tethers, allowing AI to interact with software like humans clicking buttons. By calling APIs, agents check calendars, find time slots, and update databases without oversight. Complex goals become sequential plans, searching for leads, extracting data, compiling spreadsheets, and sending briefings. Advanced models can now reflect on their own performance. If a search query fails to find a result, the agent reasons through the error and adjusts its plan to try a different approach. We are moving towards systems of collaboration. In these workflows, a primary agent delegates specialized tasks to a network of digital workers, each focused on one specific part of a massive project. This is autonomous, multi-step problem-solving, operating at the speed of the internet. While automation technology is already deployed, only 12% of workers have engaged in AI training. This scarcity is creating a massive pay gap. Workers with AI skills are currently earning 56% more. Employers are becoming desperate to hire individuals who understand how to manage these agentic systems. Understanding AI is the definitive line between career obsolescence and elite compensation. Investor Naval Ravikant suggests that basic tinkering, simply using these tools to understand their limits, drastically changes your own professional value. A candidate who understands how to apply agents to their role can reapply for a position and be pulled in immediately. You do not need a background in computer science. Building a digital worker is about communicating instructions clearly in plain English. There are 3 ingredients to master: writing clear prompts, providing relevant knowledge bases, and connecting to software tools. This low barrier to entry has created the AI Automation Agency. Solopreneurs are building these digital workers from their laptops and leasing that labor back to businesses for profit. As this transition accelerates behind closed doors, you have a choice. Will you be the employee getting replaced, or the architect building the replacement?